Hello guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. And if you didn't see from the title, I am a vegan, so yeah, there's that. So I just came back from working out this morning. It's about 8:30, and I just thought I would show you what I like to sort of, I guess, start my day off with, even though I have been up for a little while. But just a little drink that I like to have before my coffee and before anything like that. Also, I thought I would like to say that usually on days that I work out, I'm more hungry. So obviously not every day is the same. Some days I'm more hungry, some days I'm not. So we will see where the day takes us and how hungry I will be. So yeah, I thought I would just show you what I start out with. So I just have a small glass of water, and in that I mix lemon juice, and I will say that this is not a very pleasant tasting drink because I also mix apple cider vinegar in with it, which this combination is kind of sour and kind of gross tasting, but it has good health benefits, so I do it, and honestly it's not that bad. I'm not like a baby that can't handle anything, so I do that. And I just put, see the spoon? I do about 2 spoonfuls of each in this water glass right there, and just basically chug that. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower because I need to shower. I did it. So you guys, as I have said earlier, I like to start my day, well, okay, it's not really starting my day, but I like to, in the morning, have coffee. So I just like to have a mug of black coffee. I don't really put anything in it. I just like it black. So yeah, I just finished making it, and I'm gonna drink this and maybe deal with my hair or something, and then I will be having breakfast pretty soon, and I will show you guys what I'm making. I've been making this, it's gonna be a smoothie. I've been making it a lot, that I've made a recipe out of it, so I know all the measurements and everything like that, so I can show you guys the recipe, which I'm pretty happy about. Okay guys, it is breakfast time, and I have all of the ingredients lined out on the counter, so I will show that to you now. So for this smoothie, I have blueberries, frozen banana, oats, almond milk, or just any non-dairy milk of your choice, and nut butters. So the nut butter that I'm going to be using today is this nut and seed butter that has like all of these, like cashews, almonds, chia seeds, Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and hazelnuts. You don't need that. You can just do whatever nut butter you want. So already in the blender I have 1 banana. You're gonna put in 3/4 cup of frozen blueberries or frozen berries of your choice. 3/4 cup of almond milk. 2 tablespoons of oats. I just realized I forgot to show you guys one of the ingredients that I like to use. So this is just a jar with ground flaxseed. You don't have to add it if you don't have that. You could also substitute it for chia seeds or hemp seeds. It's just to give the smoothie a little bit more oomph. And chia seeds and flax seeds will thicken up a smoothie. So I like adding flax to my smoothie. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. And 1 tablespoon of your nut butter of choice. And there you go, a delicious, filling breakfast smoothie. So if you guys want to try it out, or just interested in the recipe, I will leave it in the description down below, because I actually know the measurements for this meal. A lot of my meals I just like chuck stuff in a bowl and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat this because I'm very hungry. It is 9:24 right now, and I've been up since 7, so I am pretty hungry. So yeah, I will check in with you guys later. Okay guys, so it's like 12 to 12, and I wanted to just get a little bit of a head start on my lunch because one of the things I'm going to be making needs to be in the toaster oven for a little little while. So today's a little bit chilly, hence the long sleeve shirt, which is nice, but I am craving potatoes. So I found a way recently to do baked potatoes in the toaster oven. So I'm just going to be using 2 small red potatoes, and then I have a bunch of just seasonings. So I have garlic powder. I'm just looking down here. I have garlic powder, paprika, and chili powder. Plus I'm gonna put a bit of tahini on, as well as salt. So I like to put tahini instead of oil because for the most part I try and get my oils and fats from the whole food versus the more processed version, aka like oil. So I'm gonna be putting tahini on them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chop these up, put tahini, and then mix them with the spices. Okay guys, so it is now 12 and I'm just gonna start taking out things from the fridge and pulling together just some other stuff to go with the potatoes. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so some of the things I found in the fridge, we have some cooked quinoa, red onion, chickpeas, and pepper. And so I think I'm gonna put all of this in my lunch today. I'm gonna do about 2/3 cup quinoa, I think. I think that'll be good. Go. So I just lightly warmed up this quinoa. I have just a bit of red onion, half of a pepper, and as you guys can see, the potatoes finished and they look and smell so amazing. So I'm just gonna put whatever amount of chickpeas is left in this jar in my bowl because that looks like a good amount to me. So I added all of the ingredients, and now the last step is dressing. So I decided to go for a bit of a sweet, like plus salty maple dressing. So I'm gonna be adding some maple syrup, some apple cider vinegar, salt, tahini, and maybe something else that I feel like. So I love like sort of sweet and salty tahini dressings. They taste really good. Although the thing about tahini is it gets very thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and just thin it out with a bit of water and then put it on my lunch bowl. So yes, you guys, this is pretty much my random assortment of food for lunch. Some potatoes, quinoa, vegetables, beans, dressing. Tastes really good, but is slightly random. So yeah, I will check in with you guys later. Hey you guys, so it is about like almost 10 after 3 and I'm hungry, so it is time for snack. So a few days ago, no, it's not a few days ago, yesterday, I feel like it was a few days ago just because they're almost all gone. But yesterday I made a batch of cookies, and I have never made these before, but I thought they looked interesting. And then today when I was thinking back of what I ate, I was like, wow, I eat a lot of tahini. but these were actually oatmeal raisin tahini cookies. And you might be like, that sounds a little strange. They taste so good. I don't know if any of you guys know what halva is. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's basically like sesame seeds and sweetness. These taste like halva oatmeal raisin cookies. So I just warmed up 3 in the microwave. They're not super big. They're, you know, they're nice little size cookies. And then I just have a small glass of almond milk. I like the combination of cookies and almond milk. So these cookies are oil-free, vegan, refined, sugar-free cookies. I love them. They taste so good. They're healthy, they're nutritious, and they're delicious. Hey, rhyming. And then of course, as you guys saw, my almond milk, because I just like that combination. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. So my dad and I are planning on going for a run tonight. It's like an hour-long run, and we're probably going to be leaving at 6, which is kind of an awkward time because I like to eat right around like 6:30 or something like that. So I'm probably going to grab another snack before that, and then I'll have a late dinner. That's the idea. But I will show you guys whatever I pack for snack or eat next. Okay guys, so for my pre-run snack or dinner part 1 meal thing, I'm gonna be having some homemade cashew basil pesto with or it's basil pesto like sauce. It's not really like pesto quite. And then I'm just gonna be having it with some Mary's organic crackers. So I'm gonna eat that, and then we're gonna go for the run, and we'll be back probably around like 7:40 or something like that. So it will be a little while, so I want to eat this before we go so I don't get too hungry while we're there. Yeah. Okay guys, I got back from the run. I just got in some comfy clothes, put my hair up, washed my face, and it is 7:24 right now. So I decided for my, I guess, dinner part 2 or my meal after running, I wanted a like vanilla protein milkshake. So I have the ingredients out here, but I wanted to try making just a quick version of homemade milk because I know it'll be creamier and taste better. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to add 1 cup of water into the blender. And then I decided to do cashew milk, so I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of cashews. So now that it's finished, I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 frozen bananas to the milk. I'm going to add half a scoop of this vegan vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla to just give it a more strong vanilla flavor. This vegan protein milkshake definitely hits the spot after a hot run. It's creamy and cold and refreshing and really great. Hey guys, I'm sorry for like this terrible lighting, but I just wanted to show you what I'm having for a night snack. It is these Bark Thins snacking chocolate, dark chocolate almonds with sea salt. Just looks like this. They are vegan. I think it says may contain milk and stuff like that, but that doesn't mean there's actually milk in it. So I'm just gonna have 4 pieces of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, what I ate in a day. So as you saw, it was not a perfect day of eating, you know, and I think, I don't even know why I use the word perfect, because eating isn't a thing that can be measured by perfection. I just ate what I wanted when I wanted, and you know, like that day I did a lot of activity, so I was pretty hungry, but It's just about intuitive eating and listening to your body, and that is my method of eating. Of course, I am vegan, and that is, like mandatory or whatever, but then on top of that, I just do intuitive eating. So when I'm hungry, I will eat, and when I'm full, I will stop, basically. Whether that means I need like 2 or 3 snacks in the night, as you saw, or not, that's my body's way of telling me I need food. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're not subscribed, then please feel free to do that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.